view from the train. Just been to Whistling station on the PBR, where the initials are. Lovely lakes there. Gonna move round. Alright. Careful, because they don't like you being out the windows here. Smell the diesel from the loco. There's quite a few inclines on this railway. It's 37, giving us a 2. I believe, I don't know if they've changed the points already, but we're going to take a different route down. There's all sorts of bits and bobs to this railway. They sort of change direction and that, you know, sort of with them sleepers and concrete sleepers. Lots of spare track. This is an old BR Mark 1 coach. To go in the other coach you have to pay a £3 supplement, which we will be doing. So let's have a look. Lots of open expanse here. Could have been sidings there, I should have imagined. All gone. I'm coming into the station again. This is I'm not sure what the station's called. It's called. Thank you. Line it,